What's up, everybody? You are here watching Hypnos FPV's channel. We're here at this beautiful spot in my hometown. It's a train trestle. You can actually get on there if you get stuck. But anyway, stay tuned to the end because he's going to have a special announcement for you guys. And watch this time flying. I'm going to send up this new DJI Osmo Nano, I think is what it's called. See how this works. I've also got the Rotor stack in here that I got at Rampage that I'm going to test out here. I did a couple short test flights with it just to try and make sure the tune was good. The last adjustments I made I have not tested yet, so hopefully it's all right. Hopefully we can at least fly. That's the goal here. Nappy's about to send it right now, so I guess we'll watch him take off and yeah. Alright, FPV enthusiasts, so Nappy's ripping right now, and I wanted to take a moment to film my outro here. Had a lot of fun ripping with Nappy today. Still brushing the dust away, but I pulled off a couple cool tricks today. I think it's pretty cool. So I think we'll put together a nice little edit for it, and I'm sure Nappy will have one that we'll put out together with it, so it'll be a lot of fun, so check that out. But before we end off this video, I did want to take a moment to talk about something Nappy, Props Off and myself are going to be doing again this year, our second annual Christmas holiday special, where we're going to be giving away a whole lot of stuff. I will link last year's stream down below if you want to check it out, but save the date. It's going to be December 21st at 6 p.m. So definitely be there. There's going to be a lot of giveaways. It's going to be a lot of fun. There goes Nappy. So yeah, definitely save that date. It's going to be one to remember for sure, and be able to grab some cool stuff out of the giveaways. if you're someone that is interested in sponsoring the stream, you can contact Nappy, myself, or Pops Off. We're willing to accept anything that someone's willing to donate to give away. We want to be like Santa Claus, so the more the merrier. And yeah, we greatly appreciate it, and we're going to look forward to it. So again, save that date. And thanks for watching, FPV enthusiasts.